After 19 months of investigation by the DA's office and Houston police, a Harris County grand jury found that no crime occurred in the 2021 Astroworld tragedy. They ruled that Travis Scott is not responsible for those 10 deaths and hundreds of people that were injured that night. Fox 26's Sherman DeSalle joining us live from NRG. He's breaking down what the DA's office released today. Sherman.
Yeah, good evening, Caroline. The jury ruled that no single individual, including rapper Travis Scott and event organizers, would be held liable for what happened in that incident in 2021. And also, they say that his attorney says that he spoke with us tonight. He says that his client is pretty relieved after hearing the jury's decision, and he was fully cooperative with police throughout this investigation. Now, there have been extensive talks over the last 19 months about what happened that night. A lot of talks and mentions of crowd surge, but officials say 10 people, including a 9-year-old, died from compression asphyxia, not being able to breathe as the massive crowd moved. Now, investigators say we showed a presentation including a map of the festival and all the stages, and all the people killed were confined to one particular area, General Admission Quadrant 3. The DA says it's not their office's job to go into an investigation and get a result that's preconceived by investigators. She says the responsibility of determining probable cause, per the Constitution, is on the people.
That's why this randomly selected grand jury of ordinary Harris County residents is so important for you to understand, because they determined the conclusion and the outcome in this very narrow criminal review.
Now, a local law firm, Kherkher Garcia, they represent hundreds of people who were injured that night. They released a statement. It says, in part, "We are undeterred and will continue fighting every day on behalf of the hundreds of injury victims who simply intended to attend a concert for a night of fun, to ensure responsible parties are held accountable in the ongoing pursuit of justice." Caroline?
Well, Sherman, I mean, you heard the DA. This was up to the jury. This could have gone a totally different way. So did Travis Scott's attorney mention the possible criminal charges that he could have been facing if the grand jury had decided that he was, in fact, irresponsible?
Yeah, he did. There were a few of them. Kent Schaefer says that they were looking at negligent homicide, involuntary manslaughter, reckless endangerment. He also says that this tragedy has costed his client a lot of opportunities, partnerships, endorsements since that happened in 2021. He says that overall he's relieved and he's looking forward to getting back to some of that. Back to you.
All right.